Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code latest version on Debian 12 operating systems. First verify whether we have the VS Code as the default application or not. Search here VS or Visual. See, you don't have Visual Studio Code. Okay, so open the default browser, that is Firefox. Then go to code.visualstudio.com. It is the official website. Then click on download or click on this .debian package. So click on download. See, for Debian or Ubuntu we have to download this .debian package. Click on it. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 99.3 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to download, CD, downloads, ls. See, here we have the code. Code means Visual Studio Code, that is VS Code, Debian package. Install it, sudo dpkg-i. Then give the code, give the tab to autofill, enter Debian package name and hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, we are installing code version 1.993. The installer would like to add the Microsoft repository and signing key to update VS Code through APT. Add Microsoft APT repository for Visual Studio Code. Select S and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Click on activities, then show applications, go to the last. See, here we have the Visual Studio Code, or you can search here VS Code. See, we have the Visual Studio Code. Open it by clicking on it, or see, we got the Visual Studio Code text editor. Close this one. You can also open by just typing code, hit enter. See, you got the Visual Studio Code application. Close this one. Okay, so we have successfully installed. ls, remove this file which is not required anymore. rm, give the tab, hit enter. ls, we have cleared the space. So in this video we have seen how to download and install VS Code latest version on Debian 12 operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.